dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna find pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from BGMgirl Hair, better known as Black Girl Magic Girl Hair. Now, this is my first time ever working with this company. I've seen quite a few of their installs over on TikTok, not Instagram so much, but for sure TikTok. Pretty much all of the installs that I've seen over on TikTok have looked pretty quick and easy, so we're gonna hope and pray and wish the same for us. They sent over a 10-inch kinky straight unit along with some goodies that include the care card, a edge brush and comb, lashes of course, an edge band, a HD wig cap, a regular wig cap, and on top of that it's in a darker brown, which I really appreciate this because I am a dark skinned woman, so therefore I like wig caps that are this color. I don't know, the beige ones, they just never do it for me. I pretty much don't even use those typically. Also a satin bag for your wig that you can use, you know, to put your wig away when you finish wearing it. And then also, oh, this is cute, a bonnet. Because of all of the installs that I've always seen on TikTok being like I stated earlier, really quick and easy and straightforward, I want to try to do this install the exact same way. So upon pulling the unit out of the box, I can instantly tell that the unit has been pre-plucked, but I will say that these knots need to be bleached in my opinion. The knots aren't terribly big. I guess it just all depends on the type of wig wearer that you are. You may or may not be okay with them. For me personally, like I just stated, I'm gonna want to bleach these knots, but not today. When running my fingers through the hair so far, I'm not getting any shedding, which is always a good thing. I will say, oh, I just saw one hair, but one hair after all that, like, that's not bad at all. I will say that the unit does feel on the thicker side, which is nice, but I don't know. It is giving that like crinkled, yucky texture that, you know how kinky straight units look. Hopefully the camera is picking it up, but it's giving that like crinkled texture. I am going to go ahead and take a flat iron to this just to kind of like get some of those out. The cap construction for this unit comes with no combs like whatsoever. It's just nothing but straight up cap. It does have an elastic band in it that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. The lace portion on this unit is said to be a 4x6, meaning you're going to get 6 inches going here across the front and then 4 inches going from here to here for the parting space. Something I'm noticing about the unit is that of course the lace is pre-cut, but it's one of those pre-cuts to where it's just like it has that design. I don't really know if I'm making sense. I hope you can see it a little bit. I'm not the biggest fan of units that have this, so I will be cutting that like wavy part off just to make it a little bit more jagged and realistic looking. I wanted to show you all what the picture looked like in a bob style, but unfortunately they don't have any pictures on the website. They only show what the unit looks like in like a longer version, so I'll pop it up here on the screen somewhere. On the website it shows that they offer this unit in 10 inches all the way down to 32 inches. Again, I received the 10-inch units. The density of the unit is supposed to be 180% density, and that's why she feels like on the thicker side. And then they offer this unit in Brazilian and Mongolian hair textures. I'm pretty sure I received the Brazilian, but if not, I'll have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below. But that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and install this unit and let's see what she's giving.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, you need, then waste your time with me. You could have calling with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from BGMgirl Hair. I'm not gonna lie to you, when I first put this unit on my head, I was just kind of like, girl, what is this? Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Between the length, the density, and the crimps within the hair, it was just kind of like, whew, what are we about to do? Once I decided to go ahead and straighten the unit, then I was like, okay, I can see the vision. While I was straightening the hair, I thought to myself, okay, I'm gonna do like a standard bob, whether it's a middle part bob, whether it's a side part bob. I just knew I was gonna do like a standard straightened bob. But then I had to be real with myself and remember that whenever it comes to bobs, if I'm gonna wear one in a middle part, it has to be like a silkier, straighter texture, and of course it has to be short. This texture is not silky straight, so I was like, okay, this isn't gonna work. So then when I tried to do a side part, it was like it wasn't working, just because it was like some of the tracks were exposed every time I tried to do like a deep side part. But then anytime I tried to do like a side part that was like further inwards, like right here, and straighten the unit, I don't know, it still just wasn't doing it for me. But then my camera died and I picked up my curling iron and I was just like, I'm gonna have to do the forbidden bump. You know the bump that I'm talking about, the bump that our parents used to put in our hairs when we were little, you know, to try to protect our hair ultimately so breakage wouldn't happen. But we were just like, no, just keep it straight, just keep it straight, just keep it straight. No, I had to go ahead and do the bump, and low-key, high-key, I'm glad I did it. Once I put the bump in the ends of the hair and then I tousled the hair, like, I fell in love. To me, the hair then turned into this like beautiful, voluminous, sexy, just like flat iron, natural haired moment. Like, I don't know, it was just everything, or it is everything. The texture of the hair is very reminiscent to 4C flat iron hair, and I don't know, it just really makes me think of my own hair. Last year around November, I cut my hair to around this length due to some breakage and whatnot, and like low-key it makes me want to cut my hair again, but then again I'm like, why would I do that when I have a wig that looks like my hair? Truth be told, I thought I was going to come on here and have several cons about this unit, but honestly I have none. I do still stand beside the fact that I want to go in and bleach the knots on this unit, but up close and personal it doesn't look too bad. But I don't know, I just know that if I bleached the knots, they would look 10 times better. The plucking on this unit was done to perfection, even though I'm not a fan of the like wavy lace part in the front. Like I said, I did go in and cut that off camera. It's laying really nice against the skin, like, okay, BGMgirl hair. I will say that I don't think that this unit is big head friendly. I feel like if you have a 22-inch circumference head and smaller, then you'll be perfectly fine. But anything that's 23 and above, it might squeeze a little bit. I will say that with this unit being 180% density, I feel like that's a perfect density for this unit, just because it is mimicking, or it's supposed to be mimicking, a 4C kinky straight unit. You know, you automatically associate, or at least I automatically associate, you know, thickness, fullness, voluminous type hair, and that's exactly what this is giving. To top it off, I have no spray, no glue, no nothing on this unit. Like, this unit is completely glueless. So if you are someone who's in the market looking for a really natural looking feeling type of unit, I would highly recommend picking this one up. But let me know how you guys are feeling about this unit down in the comment section below. Like, is she giving natural? Because I feel like she's giving natural. But if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @tan_Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.